last week also, baka piki ni receive mo ni ko. Ni Apo Kapitan nga nagtakder. Last week we attended the celebration of the DILG, local government blah blah blah. Yung kaduak ni attorney kini Milgio. Damon tin sangpet nga upat nga award. So validate mo man kapitan baka piki kiti din naramit. DILG mo tinang iko aya nang award upat. Tata muna. Nono award reta baka nga no alas 2 anto malpas dito ta medyo atidog dito. Nga we will make it short. So once again, good morning aming kadatayo nga awan labas na. Marigat no may sabay-sabay mabayag. My report will be from July 1 to October 10 nya. October 10, the first 100 days. So, atidog dito yung naramid na. Itak no may mabayag. So, basahan lang at nag-importante nga amok nga significant ngayon nararamid tayo. For the first 100 days, we have created 48 executive orders. Yung dagito puros na rin-renew dagito, dati mo nga dagito yan. Nasukatan lang ti signatory, siyempre nagsukat ti official. We have caused the creation of 11 office orders. Dagito ranging from vehicle and driver's designation of Municipal Tourism Affairs Office. Again, normal na ito yung normal nga course of action ti opisina. We have reconstituted special bodies and technical working groups. Nasusukatan lang ti ko na dito, nasusukatan ti signatory. Kandagi ay member ti board and special bodies. Also, on September 8, we assumed the role as the LMP Benguet President, and for the first 100 days, we have acquired through donations 2 vehicles, Nissan Urban Ambulance, and 1 Isuzu Travis Light vehicle. More to follow. Gimana kata? Ada mga taga-MMD. Ako taga-MMD na gitu, taga-council kayo. Welcome back, Tumangkayan. There are many awards and recognitions also given to our LGUs. Siyempre, nagito credit, past administration. Dati lang tinang receive. So, ako may sabay sa atin. On Human Resource Management Office, there are 4 appointments and promotions from Municipal Accountant, Admin Aid 4, Budgeting Aid, Administrative Aid 3, and Environmental Management Special 1. Wala naman. Upat di barungan appointaran. And for job orders, we have caused the reduction of from dati to 130. For now, we have only 147 or 40% reduction. For office innovation and system development, 75% completion rate of digitalization of personnel management processes via the ongoing development of the LGU Mangkayan Human Resource Information System. This is, I believe, a continuing process na nairugrugin piman mo nagito di past administration. For MS Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office, we have endorsed a 114 to the province for 114 endorsement regime from ito nga agupati assistance to medical assistance and victims of calamities. We have also endorsed 94 resolutions to the different provincial, regional, and government offices. Ito'y nagiyaya resolutions kaya nararamit ti barangay officials tayo as well as our municipal officials. Hopefully, dito'y 94 nga na-endorse tayo, or 50% agsubli dito'y mayatan niya. Ito'y nagiyaya request for funding for projects and others. I have also officiated 10 civil wedding couples. Tata, naman ng titalo. On local civil registry office, awan na ito yun, numbers na normal na trabaho ti opisina na ito yun. For Municipal Disaster and Risk Reduction and Management Office, our MDRRM was transferred to Social Civic Center in Bayoyo, Tabio. And also, an Emergency Operation Center operated 24/7 was activated. This is composed of our PNP, BFP, EFP, MDRRMO, RHO, and other government entities who are always there manning our Emergency Operation Center 24 hours a day. Oray awanti bagyo at naday niya nga naka-standby. And also, we have caused the road opening of Paco Colalo alternate road. It was undertaken voluntarily through the initiative of our everybody, especially nagito'y councils tayo, nagito'y municipal council. So, voluntarily piman nga impadatik equipment na dyan nga mausap. And our local, with the help of our local contractors, and nagito'y kakadwa tayo nga small scale miners and other CSO organizations. Capacity building. Also, the office of the Minro was transferred to Bayoyo. Ang mga basahan na ito'y kilong ti basura nga na i-deliver Pangasinan kan Bulacan. And now we are continuously coordinating. There are organizations or government agencies who are coming here offering gilako na kanya tayo, nagitid na kanya tayo, nagiyaya ng taon doon para gi-grill ti basura. Shredder and other materials kamti initial funding naman kat 100 million una kasus. Di pa baka basura ti kanan binto yan may pantayo amin na pundo tayo jay. Also, we have facilitated the successful bidding of 22 projects amounting to 22 million. Nagito'y naging ipoprogram di last year, tuloy tayo lang na inpabid tata. One of the tibaro lang nga nainayon, ito'y procurement and installation of LED monitor with complete accessories. Ano na program tayo? So katan tayo dito kuma. Ano na program ni Taplaza, so usaran tayo. And now, the budget for the improvement of the ISB, yung tawag na rin, the digitalization of the ISB is ongoing na yung process, na bid na approve na, hopefully by next month or December, medyo mayatin, di kontis bitorek, ini narasaas na mangnag. Tapno mangnag tayo, ano, sinutihan nagsasaw. Ano dati yung opisina tayo, ano dati yung musmusyon, amo ni Councilor Alex deta, napigsati sa una. Also, on the MPDO, at least for now, last week, we have 80% finished the CLUP. Inya Joy, baka tata, 99% din. At least 80% the last week, baka tata nalpasan. At least, dati CLUP kan CDP, na tanumabang kami mag-isim-seminar, iso tiberbiro ko na kata. Medyo behind tayo piman. At least, adan, naramid. And we have also make a history of finishing our ILA in 2 hours. At least, we have finished our ILA for 2 hours. Antayo pa yung nabanog, antayo pa yung naggastos, mabalin mo't gayam niya. We just imagine that we are at the seashore or at least na-approve. On Municipal Health Office, we have hired additional nurses to be on duty even on Saturdays and Sundays and holidays. At nakita kami di previous nga napan kami dito awan ti tao yay RHU ti weekend. Kung nakasanuay no na emergency. So nag-hire tayo ti additional nurses kay so that ti ag-duty ti weekend and holidays and additional tao ni ka-hire yun. Na parang matuloy na yung laboratory tayo dito. We have just hired a medtech. Tayo sumit na request na RHU, tauray di tayo yung kanuag pa laboratory. Gusto ba niya ako RHU? Kano nga gruging nga mabalin dito nga ongoing, okay. On Municipal Treasury Office, panay mo't kwarta, dagito mo, dagay normal nga, mumay nga pondo. Kung sabot kan. On the Municipal Accounting Office, we have already disbursed 52.93% utilization of the 20% Municipal Development Fund, which amounts to 21 million out of 39 na dupay tiyan nga nabayadan. So nga, papaspasan tayo, naging konti bids in awards. Tapapaspas na bid, at least madispose tayo dagito. Dagito yung nakaprogram dili last administration. We just continue it. Awa mo din nakikat sinukatan tayo lang din na duma. Basit lang mo din nasukatan. At in respect to the previous administration, nagay-program na intuloy tayo lata. Baka kung na ayaw nga kapunta sa bali manan, sa balian tayo minhanbad. No makita tayo kat talaga mo nga na project, kat word nga ituloy tayo. Ano minsan nadamot na project nga farm to my house, kura na, no? Nagay medyo sinukatan tayo lang. For the office of the Municipal Agriculture, I observed that there are so many farmers organization who have seek our endorsement to the regional, provincial agencies of their resolutions or to avail of grant or loans. In Madua po, nagiyay farmers organization tayo na nagpapa-endorse. In Madua tata po umag no nakita na kami ng resulta na there are organizations who really avail nga nakita na kasi mangput nga nagay ni-request na payment so agi napaldan. I believe that's a very good development or nagito waivers in all konti lipanto, nagito konti fisheries, konti hog racers, ano dati nagpapa-endorse. So ano I meant no kasi at least magkita tayo, mananado ti trabaho dito iilit tayo. Kunan nga rod niya po, Councilor Dapyawan, the organization, hanga pang solicit, no pa, hanga pang solicit, no election. Anyway, like ko natin, in-advise tayo isoda, kayo organize yourself, at very good development na if man nag-comply na. So, magigay different department heads, please assist our organizations. Paspasan tayo kung may endorse ka niya. Kaslade, in-announce ni Councilor Luspian Tatay, there are many programs of the Office of the Vice President nga mabalin nga pagdawatan titulong. So, nagiti i-exploit tayo, talaga ito kakailan tayo maka-avail ka naging benepisyo. On Municipal Tourism Affairs Office, at least we have already created the tourism code for review at the Sangguniang Panglalawigan na province. Di gagagatmat niya po Committee on Tourism, Councilor Balong Angay. Hopefully by next year ma-implement tayo dito yan. At least baka dati tourism ang tawag na ada roads lagi mapan nga bisita makakolekta tayo ti fees and we can create jobs for our constituents on business permit. Naibagan ni from the treasury. It's good that our market and extension office in Abatan was already finished. Nalpas na kayo pabungnan. Tamad nga kababayin piman, kadagi ay agilaklako niya, kolekta tayo lang kolekta mo ti bayad na taripa na nagtodo, tartaray na nga panaglinong ta nabubutbutan niya yung sintron ti ko. So, for the 100 first 100 days, dito pa lang ti accomplishment tayo. From from July 1 to October 10. And for the 111 days, we have a situation na iso ti hot issue tata, our the crescent in the konti ginawang in Bulalakaw. We have to resolve this. And with the support of our LGUs, naman pagmitigan tayo dito na resolution. Because kitaan tayo nagaduti kung konti social media, aduti kumikomentar na, but kung kunada nga aramidan tayo. But kung nakaroon the last Monday, we are not here to answer all those bashers. We are doing our job. Antay lang na ipapublish. So that's it. And once again, good morning everyone. Kung naman kahit nga ag-review kayo pasirox dito, tapos basahan nyo habang ada kayo opisina yun, masaduta ka bang basa kayo dito yung amin yung prepare staff ko. So you are free to come to our office and have the Xerox para reviewin nyo. Yeah. So once again, happy Halloween. Good morning everyone.